Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing. This one came from Dooney Bourke. I was surprised how fast the shipping was. I think from the time I ordered to the time I received this box, I think it was within like 2-3 days. And I didn't order a big bag, but somehow this box is huge. I'm really surprised to see how big this box is. Now let's see if they send me a good one. Am I going to get Dougie's sticker this time? Last time I didn't get any stickers, so I'm hopeful, but that rarely happened though, I have to say. It's quite a big bag. Okay, let's take everything out of the box. And this is the dust bag. A little unusual, isn't it? Not the blue one I'm familiar with. Usually Dooney Bourke has this blue dust bag, and this one is kind of cotton or linen material. Not stretchy, feel like linen. Really nice dust bag. And this is their Dooney Bourke Camden Florentine large hobo. I'm surprised how big this is. This one is in chestnut color. When I bought it on the website, I believe it said the size is around, the width is around 12 inches. And the height is around, I think, 10 inches. Somehow this looks much bigger than what the website say. I know bag size is always inaccurate. Let's pull this out. I believe this is the front and this is the back. Not sure if you can see that got some scuff mark here, but that is pretty common with Florentine leather. You tend to get scuff mark easily with their leather. So this one is in chestnut color. I have to say the pebbling texture on this bag is not very even. You can see on the right side here is quite smooth, and then on the left side is more pebbling, and then at the back is quite evenly pebbling. Maybe that's why it went on sale on I Love Dooney's side. But to me, it doesn't bother me. I know many Florentine lovers that they are very specific about either smooth leather or pebble leather. But for me, I guess I'm not that picky in terms of the leather texture. And on the front has this pocket. Let's see, decent sized pocket. I would say this zip pocket definitely big enough to put in your big iPhone. Oh, what a surprise! My familiar blue dust bag. Look at that. So this Dooney's large hobo bag come with 2 dust bags, I guess. What a surprise! I guess I definitely don't mind to have another big size dust bag. They can come in handy since I have so many bags. So crazy. And stuffing, and then more stuffing, and more stuffing, and more. Yep, it's a very big bag. You can feel your whole life in the bag. Okay, and this is the shoulder strap that came with the bag. Really nice quality. I need to find Florentine crossbody strap though, because I wanted to use this as a crossbody, not shoulder, or else I'll have to find a nice crossbody strap somewhere, maybe on Amazon or Etsy. But Amazon doesn't really have many good straps. Let's look at inside of the bag. So this side, front side, you have two slip pockets, one bigger and one smaller. The bigger one is big enough to put in your phone. And then on the other side, you have this kind of a one big slip pocket. It's kind of odd shape. It's shallow, but it's really wide. I guess if you have a long wallet, it would fit nicely there. And then also it has a very smooth zip pocket. Good size zip pocket as well. So from what I understand, that this is a bag that you want to fill and then create this kind of a slouch shape when you use it. I have to say this bag is huge. I remember last time I have the other one that from Dooney Bourke, I think it's a large Courtney sack, I believe. Compared to that one, this one is huge. It's giant sack. I think it filled the whole screen probably. That's incredible. Let's put on the strap. Wow. This one, I think you can even use it for overnight, your overnight trip to your friend's place or something. I wasn't planning to get this one, but since I wanted to collect more Florentine leather pieces, and they sent me $20 off coupon, and I figure might as well pick up this one and see how it looks in person. So I'm really happy with how this turned out. Some scuff mark, and the leather is not even in terms of the pebbling, but it's not a big issue for me, so definitely happy with this purchase. I hope you got some good stuff during this sales season, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.